Hello, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use pancakeswap with Trust Wallet on iPhone. First, you're going to need to download the Trust Wallet app. After you have downloaded Trust Wallet and you have gone through the verification process, you're going to go into your browser, Safari right here, and you want to search for pancakeswap app. Next, you're right where you see pancakeswap.finance. You want to ensure that that is the link that you tap on, the one right at the top here. Once you have done that, right in the top right hand corner, you're going to see Connect Wallet. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to select Trust Wallet. And the Trust Wallet app that you had downloaded earlier and gone through the verification process will automatically be added to the pancakeswap app right here. So now you'll be able to do your trading on pancakeswap and Trust Wallet. For instance, if I should tap on trade in the bottom left hand corner, if I had purchased BNB or if I had BNB in the Trust Wallet app, I would be able to see it right here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hello, I'm your host Jason.